Assalamu alaikum and welcome to KHANBIOEDUCATION. Today we will learn about ecology and environment in MCQs form. Our first objective is maximum greenhouse gas released by which of the following country? That is USA. Students, I will only pronounce the true option. You can also see the detail of other options as well. If I will pronounce the four options, then the video will become very long. In Minamata Bay, Japan, the animals which remains free from Minamata disease are rabbits. Which of the following pair is sedimentary type of biogeochemical cycle? The phosphorus and sulfur is true option. The toxic effect of carbon monoxide is due to its greater affinity for hemoglobin as compared to oxygen, approximately by 200 times. Which of the following isotopes is most dangerous to Homo sapiens? That is strontium 90. Now, which of the following is most stable ecosystem? That is ocean ecosystem. The primary succession refers to development of communities on newly exposed habitat with no record of earlier vegetation is correct option. Now, a dental disease characterized by mottling of teeth is due to the presence of certain chemical element in drinking water. Which of the following is that element? That is fluorine. Which of the following is the main factor of desertification? That is overgrazing. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? This is streamlined body matched with aquatic adaptation is correct. D option is true. The closely related morphologically similar sympatric populations but reproductively isolated are designated as clines. The true statement about greenhouse effect is that it is caused by carbon dioxide, CFC, CH4 and NO2 gases. Benthoic animals are those which are deep dweller in the sea is correct option. Which country has the greatest contribution for the hole formation in ozone layer? That is USA. The niche of species is meant for habitat and specific functions of species. The two great industrial tragedies, namely MIC and Chernobyl tragedies respectively, occurred where and at which time? This was the Bhopal in 1984 and Ukraine in 1986 respectively. The A option is true. The 10% energy transfer law of food chain was given by Lindemann. The most common indicator organisms that represents polluted water is E. coli. In coming years, skin-related disorders will be more common due to depletion of ozone layer is correct option. During adverse season, the bryophyte survives by seeds. MAB stands for Man and Biosphere Program. And formation of ozone hole is maximum over in Antarctica. The formation of ozone hole is maximum over Antarctica. Which of the following ecosystem has highest gross primary productivity? The rainforest. Phosphate pollution is caused by sewage and agricultural fertilizers. Which of the following act as nature's scavengers? Microorganisms. In deserts, grasslands, which type of animals are relatively more abundant? That is fossorial. The supersonic jets caused pollution by the thinning of O3 layer. Which one of the following organism is used as indicator of water quality? That is E. coli or Escherichia. If there was no CO2 in the Earth's atmosphere, the temperature of Earth's surface would be less than the present. Plants such as Prosopis, Acacia, and Capparis represent example of tropical thorn forest. In 1984, Bhopal gas tragedy was caused due to the leakage of methyl isocyanate. Which of the following is secondary pollutant? PAN. Which part of world has high density of organisms? That is tropical rainforest. The maximum biomagnification would be in which of the following in case of aquatic ecosystem? That is fishes. Which of the following is the use of lichens in case of pollution? They act as bioindicators of the pollutions. The D option is true. Land mass occupied by forest is about 30%, which is the result of damage to relative biological effectiveness, the pollution. Which is the reason for highest biomass in aquatic ecosystem? This is benthoic and brown algae. Which is the best pH of the soil for cultivation of plants? The D option is true, that is 5.5 to 6.5. What is BOD? The amount of oxygen utilized by microorganisms for decomposition, the B option. Carbon monoxide is pollutant because it reacts with hemoglobin. How carbon monoxide emitted by automobiles prevents transport of oxygen in the body tissues? By forming a stable compound with hemoglobin. In a terrestrial ecosystem such as forest, maximum energy is in which tropical level? This is T1. Which of the following communities is more vulnerable to invasion by outside animals and plants? That is tropical evergreen forest. The rate at which light energy is converted into chemical energy of organic molecules is the ecosystem gross primary productivity. The Manimeta disease in Japan was caused through the pollution of water by mercury. DDT is a non-degradable pollutant. Which of the following organism is likely to have more concentration of DDT in its body? The top carnivores. Which of the following is pollution-related disorders? That is fluorosis. The correct option is C, fluorosis. Energy transfer from the trophic level to other in a food chain is 10%. Soil water available to root is capillary water. Which one is true? In these four options, the B option is true. The symbiosis when the interaction is useful to both the useful to both the populations. The B option is true. The food chain